Hello everybody, it's the Dino Gamer 556, and today we're going to be playing some Jurassic World Evolution 2. This is a game that came out last year in November, and I decided, now I've made a park, and I'm going to show you some of the things. Now, I do have a new dinosaur that's coming out, so, yep, there it is. Cabot Finch is talking about how without Dr. Henry Wu, this whole thing couldn't really exist. So he's going to talk about this next dinosaur. Ah, yes, there's the park. Very big, very big. Oh, that blue stuff is the dinosaur territory. This is Dryosaurus. The Dryosaurus is adorable, except can I tell you something funny? I made it live in a desert. Get it? Because it's a Dryosaurus and it lives in a dry desert. Yeah, epic. So anyway, if you came through this entrance point, you would go in this weird plaza type place with crabs, like a place to eat crabs, and another place to eat crabs. There's sorts of stuff and walking around places. Here is the Chancersaurus, one of the new dinosaurs that is not returning from the first game, and is named Pinocchio Rex because of its long snout. It's also a quite recent discovery made in 2014. I know that doesn't sound recent, but it's still pretty recent when other dinosaur discoveries are from like the 1800s or something like that. Anyway, over here are the Ceratodactylus, which live in this two big aviary, aka meaning if you place two aviaries, they'll connect because aviaries can connect. It's epic. Anyway, and finally, the Tylosaurus. The Tylosaurus is pretty spooky looking, I'm not gonna lie. He's got a snout that looks like a crocodile, except it's supposed to be crocodile snouted because it is a crocodile type creature. It's a lizard that swims in water, and what is a crocodile? A lizard. So anyway, this is a facility where basically guests, no, not guests, well, VIP guests can go on a monorail and see the hatchery where, everything starts. Over here is our beautiful Amargasaurus. The Amargasaurus has plates on its neck, sort of plates. They're pretty much plates. Anyway, I still think it's an adorable little dinosaur. I only have two, but hey. Over here is the Albertosaurus, if you guessed by seeing the ALB. This is the leader, and you see in Jurassic... Oh, that's one of the behavior interactions. You see, dinosaurs in this game have all sorts of different behavior interactions. See, in the first game, the dinosaurs didn't really do much behavior-wise. Oh, yo, it's sleeping. Well, I don't know why he's sleeping in the daytime, but hey, dinosaur's a dinosaur. Over here, I really like the habitat I gave them. The Dilophosaurus. I gave them basically a huge forest and a river. And they, most of the time, usually stick towards that one river. They're walking across it, basically. He is sleeping on the ground, and he is walking close to the river. These guys live next to the river like the Egyptians in the Nile. Anyway, very cool dinosaur. I'm trying to get a good view, but the trees are kind of blocking it. Ah, there it is. Dilophosaurus 5. Very epic. Anyway, there's the trees. I hate how the trees block your view. It is horrible. They need to fix that in a new update. Speaking of updates, by the time I'm recording this, I bet it'll already be out. But, guess what? There's going to be a new update coming on March 7th. That is very epic. Add some new dinosaurs that I'll be showcasing. I already got a park started up for it. I got 3 enclosures, and I might even be able to add a roleplay thingy because there's now first-person mode, so I could act like I'm one of the guests at the park. You can actually go in the dinosaur enclosures. You can make it nighttime. You can give yourself a flashlight. You can literally walk around with a flashlight. It is pretty cool. Ooh, that is the Metrocanthosaurus, and it could be going for that goat. I want it to. That would be epic. No. That's fine. The Metrocanthosaurus, there's 5 in there. Anyway, I already showed you the dinosaurs, but it's still being adorable, so why not? Ah, yes. Oh, dinosaurs make footprints in the ground, in sand. I really think that's cool too. Oh, over here's the megalosaurs. Mega dinosaur. Anyway, it's not called the megalosaurus because it's like mega. It's called the megalosaurus because why not? Ha. Anyway, megalosaurus is a cool dinosaur. I chose the red skin pattern because I thought it looked cool and that's my favorite color. Yeah, it's a cool dinosaur. The snout is a bit iffy. The design is cool and such. Oh, over here are three types of species of dinosaurs. Over here we have a herd of ankylosauruses, just roaming around. Over here we have the triceratops, which look really scaly. Yeah, the triceratops is in Jurassic World scaly. And here's another ceratopsid called the Pachyrhinosaurus. What a mouthful, I tell you. What a mouthful. Well, it's a cool dinosaur. It's from the movie Walking with Dinosaurs. Anyway, over here, our last dinosaurs. Well, not dinosaur. We're going to showcase is the Pteranodon that was just flying happily. And tour trucks are going through the enclosure. We have three of them. We also have the Tapiara. Wait, no, the Tubendactylus. Sorry, got it mixed up. Oh! This is how you synthesize dinosaur eggs. You select the dinosaur eggs you want, and then you'll send them in. That is a Sungaripticus from the new dinosaur early Cretaceous pack DLC, because all the dinosaurs just so happened to live in the early Cretaceous. It also came with the Kronosaurus, but yeah, I don't have that dinosaur in the park for some reason. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, I'm glad I could entertain you today. Oh, and there's the Dimorphodon. Very cool dinosaur. But I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.